Khumulwngni Radhapur by khaijak mohon parao kaisa school tongo abo kha Euro Kids School and ex eligible trust by Naikolchak o school Kerengbar Shagnai Nokni Ganawono o school Euro Kids School Cherokno quality education renani tei tongkhor kaham toninani sab sutra toniwi Cherokno kaham rung poridenani amahai kaisa wanshu kanang school Euro Kids Schoolo Cherokni indoor tei outdoor activities rok bahaino tongo kabangma dal bidal ageo class nursery simi no tongmani tabu class 1 ni simi class 5 jora followi rijak o school class rok bo haino jani jani chirai rok no Euro Kids School of Porirani muchungui tongkhe wachungui tongkha hingke rijak kok tung number ni bisingtui no norok school o bo haino kok sahori mano konogui mano tei o school ni admission ni kok tongno tui no norok kok sahori manai haini bagui no o school ni kok rok no dal bidal kok rok no sukrubui no sini kok tuma thumni rok ni bwskango saikha rika school ni principal Chumki Deborma.
Totono Khulumka, I'm Chumki Deborma, principal of Savitribai Phule School and Euro Kids. Ching school ne address ka along ka Mohan Para, Khumulwng, Radhapur near Khumulwng Hospital. Ching is school annex charitable trust by Jeng Naikol Jabu. Teaching school ni vision ka quality education, eco-friendly environment, practical and theory-based education. Ching o school ka CBSE board. Page the National Education Policy 2020 na some follow khaye amani curriculum stanzo. Teaching our facilities indoor day outdoor games, summer club, festival celebration, theme and color day, health is well day, annual day, the graduation day. Teaching was a teacher book but I know well qualified some monthly na bono teacher training go sangra gurzagitongo. Teaching is a classes structure DTP wise, that is daily teacher planning based. Then no re chong tong chin school admission ana bagai no chin school of high name no high can no je kok contact money or tolo no contact high name. Our vision at Savitribai Phule School, we recognize the imperative of imparting an educational experience that is international level in every respect and prepare students for global citizenship. We are school with Indian soul, culture and tradition. We believe that children can do with confidence anywhere in India and world. Mission. The school mission is to provide holistic education by creating the best environment in the school and encourages children to bring out their best talent in every field of education.